This video is going to demonstrate how to visualize, edit, and publish work zone maps. You should have already created a configuration file and mapped a work zone using one of our two data collection tools before this step. I am beginning from the home page of the V2X data collection website. There is a link to this page in the description of the video. We will begin by opening the verification page. The first step is to select our work zone from the list and click Load Visualization. Scrolling down, on the left-hand side, there is a panel showing some information about the work zone, including the length of the work zone, locations of marked features, and a legend. Zooming in on the work zone, we can see individual path points in purple, lane lines in white, and a few different markers. You will also notice small black lines perpendicular to lane lines, indicating the locations of compressed path data points used in message generation. Discussing the markers, the white R marker indicates the reference point or the start of the work zone. Orange markers indicate the start of features, while blue markers indicate the end of features. Numbered markers represent lane closures, while W markers represent worker presence. Surrounding lane closures, there will be lane tapers, indicated by diagonal lane lines. Closed lanes are represented by red shaded regions with small cones. Regions of worker presence are indicated by small worker icons being present next to the roadway. And speed limit signs will be present anytime the speed limit changes throughout the work zone. Next, we will discuss the process of editing a work zone. If a work zone does not need to be edited, you can skip to publishing near the end of this video. If we want to edit this work zone, we begin by modifying the work zone shown on the screen. We can drag markers between data points. It's important to note that the visualization will not update until we have confirmed our edits. We can also remove markers by clicking on them and selecting Remove Marker. Removing a marker will also remove its associated marker. In this case, removing the start of worker presence will also remove the end of worker presence marker. We can also edit lane numbers by selecting the lane closure marker and clicking Change Lane and entering the new lane in the pop-up box. To add new markers, simply select the corresponding button at the top of the screen, entering the lane number if applicable. Begin by clicking the location of the starting marker, and next the location of the ending marker. If we are done editing for now, we click Verify Markers. This will analyze the configuration of our markers and notify us if there is an issue. Some potential issues that can arise include ending a feature before starting it, indicating that markers are in the wrong order, or starting a feature twice before ending it, indicating that nested marker sets are present. After our edits have been successfully verified, we click Confirm Edit. This will reproduce the visualization based on our recent edits. As of now, it's important to note that our edits only exist locally. If we want to continue editing, simply follow the steps described previously, verifying then confirming edits to regenerate the visualization. If we are satisfied with our edits, we click Save Work Zone. This will begin the process of regenerating the standardized messages for our work zone. This process can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. We know our work zone has been updated when we reload the visualization and our edits are present. Once our edits have been updated in the cloud, we can revisualize and verify our work zone. If edits are still required, repeat the steps described previously. If you are satisfied with the work zone and it is ready for distribution, then the next step is to publish the work zone and its related messages. These messages will be made available to third parties and user downloads upon publishing. To publish, simply press the Verify Work Zone Data and Publish button. A pop-up will show notifying you that you are about to publish a work zone. After publishing, you should receive a success notification indicating that your work zone map and associated messages have been successfully published.